YouTube Wagwan, man? It's your boy Click, and you're tuning in to Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at a video titled "Funniest Moments in Sports." It's soccer, mainly soccer, I think, or football. But I think there's other sports involved in there too. But it's just funny moments, whether it's from playing, little injuries, not like crazy injuries or anything like that, just how people got hurt, stuff like that. So I watched the first 5 seconds, I started laughing. I'm like, hey, let me just share this one and react to it. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Drop a like. That helps me get my videos out there. I would truly appreciate it. Let me know which one of these moments was the funniest one to you. And don't forget to turn on post notifications. We're just going to get right into it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Are the funniest moments in sports. Try not to laugh. There's such a thing as celebrating too hard. This Brazilian football coach was so
Bro, if he did not have... If he did not have that helmet on, that was the bottle cap to his head top.
excited he almost took out a police officer.
Oh shit.
Nice.
Charge his ass.
I don't know what's more ironic, the fact that this player's second name spells out immobile, or that his injury disappeared once the celebrations began.
Immobile!
You won't find a better goal celebration than this. What better way to celebrate a goal than by giving yourself a
Stupid. What's his name? Batshuayi? That's so
concussion?
funny. And it's so crazy because if he tried that a million times again, he would not be able to hit that.
Coming in first to the finish line is always a special occasion, so
Yo,
this
did he
guy
fully
decided to
cross?
celebrate in uncoordinated style.
Not sure whether that was intended or not, but he does cross the line.
It's not
It would be so funny if he did that and the man just walked right past him and he got
every
second.
day that you turn up to work as a professional baseball player and someone's already doing your job for you.
Oh shit. Are you allowed to do that? That is fucking annoying. I'll be
The
so
first
mad.
casualty in this game between the Cardinals and the Vikings was
boom.
none other than the sound guy.
Trampled. Oh my god. Bro, my guy didn't see that the sound cue or the cue for them to enter was going on. Like, gotta be aware, my guy.
This
Guy got tackled
commentary
by
box
huge ass football players with pads
is
on.
about to wish it didn't set up so close to the action. Maybe that player just wanted to put his feet up for a little
I
while.
always say, man, the basketball games, like the fans, the media, everybody's too close, man. Like, you can't even stop.
This isn't exactly the top level of professional weightlifting, and I'm not talking about the skill or talent of the athletes. I'm more
Honestly, that just looks so painful for your shoulders. Like, I feel like that shit's just gonna slap it out of socket.
referring to the quality of the equipment.
Oh, shit.
If this
Good thing that didn't happen when it was up in the air, because that could have felt bad.
footballer from Congo wasn't already injured from a nasty fall
Bro, I'm getting up and I'm leading him. With injury or without.
during the game, then being hit by a medical cart might just
Like,
be
brother,
enough to make
can
him
you
miss
not
more game
drive?
time. After scoring an emphatic touchdown, Michael Boley tossed the ball without looking.
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna go ahead and assume it was an accident, but he somehow managed to hit an official and the cameraman with the same throw. There's
Oh
something
my
about crazed
God.
UFC fans and stealing hats. It's a phenomenon that seems to plague any fighter doing his walk-in wearing a hat or beanie. These thieves
Hey, I don't think I need to introduce myself, but if you don't know me, I'm...
never
Bro,
get caught
honestly,
either.
that is
Hey,
so
hats off to them.
brave. Yo, look at her snatching the
Footballers are
man's
known
heads.
for their theatrical performances when trying to milk a penalty.
Oh,
So when
idiot,
Davison
that was
got a
the
pat
ref.
on the back from the referee, he thought it was his turn to give an Academy Award-winning performance. This ball boy
Bro.
is so dedicated to his job, he throws himself
Yo, I gotta see that shit again. Holy fuck. That was funny.
This ball boy's so dedicated to his job, he throws
Oh my
himself in
God,
head
bro, that
first.
is- that
Luckily, by
rocked
the
my
time
neck
anyone
when I was
noticed, he'd
watching.
recovered like nothing had even happened. After hitting the pitch and racing around half the bases, Jonathan VR thought he was going to make it safely to second base. I guess that explains why they're at the bottom of
Man,
the
now
table.
you're on a fucking highlight forever. Holy
Motorcyclist in blue is a horrible cheater. Romano Fenati was renowned for dirty tricks on the track, including kicking, screaming, and even pulling out his opponent's kill switch.
fuck. The fuck? Are you allowed to do shit like that?
This is about to be one of the closest finishes in men's hurdles history, but I think one runner wants the win just that little bit more. Can you spot which one?
Oh shit, he won. You gotta want it more, dude. Like he
Plus
said, you gotta want it more, man.
Wet track equals the granddaddy of all spinouts.
Oh,
He might have
shit.
lost the race, but at least if his career as a driver doesn't pan out, he can always take a shot at ballet. Personally,
I
if
thought
I
that
had a
shit was
coach
gonna
like
hit.
Shia LaBeouf yelling inspirational quotes at me, I'd
Wait, what?
probably be a better athlete. But if we're being honest, I don't think it helped this diver out
Oh
at all.
shit. You know, I always found this diving funny. It's just like I wonder, is there no way to like just control your face? Why do they always look so like fucked up diving?
After running the
In the
fastest
spin.
half marathon in London's history, Robert Mabippi was taken out by the final
My G, man's just ran a marathon, and you want to injure him at the end?
boss, the finish line tape. After this long
That's so
tennis
funny.
rally, the ball boy just wanted to do his job. What did he get in return? Crash tackle.
Oh,
Luckily, he was
shit.
fine, even getting a standing ovation from the crowd. Even if you're on opposing teams, a friendly pat on the back is always welcome. Unless, of course, it's
Mandzukic.
this kind of pat, the one that earns you a red card.
Motherfucker.
When Henrik Lundqvist launched his hockey stick into the crowd in celebration, he had no idea it would
Oh,
cause a
shit.
mass brawl of super fans who wanted the souvenir for themselves.
Oh shit. I
Slide
think I said I'm not letting this shit go. I'm not letting this
tackles
shit
are
go.
one of the most essential skills needed in professional football, and this is how they train for them.
Yeah.
When Josh Hart blocked a buzzer beater from James Harden, the frustrated baller seemed to want to punish himself. I'm not sure Josh Hart believed what he
Yo, I remember that shit. That's
Just
just so
saw.
funny.
Slammed the ball to the ground. It came up.
After training for most of his adult life, Jeffrey Jolmis was pumped to finally be competing in the Olympic Games. But competing at the
Yo, this is the thing with track and field, eh? You train for so long and your race is literally not even a minute. One fuck up and you're done, bro. You can't make no mistake. That's why I think it's such a hard sport, especially something like hurdles or relays. Like, you fuck up the baton exchange, bro, and you're done. Whole year of training for that one moment, for that one race in the Olympics or whatever. At least with the World Cup or something like that, you know, you have 3 group stages so you can mess up on one, you know what I mean?
top level has its hurdles, and Jeffrey fell on the first one.
Jesus
There's
Christ.
goal celebrations, and then there's deliberate
Oh,
destruction of property. I'm
shit.
not sure if this player meant to go through the glass and join the spectators, or
I
if he
didn't-
genuinely
I didn't know that was real glass. I thought it was like that plastic type of glass. You know what I'm
thought
saying?
it would hold his weight. This footballer's doing the respectful thing and passing the ball
Oh
back to his
my
opposition
God.
for a throw-in. Or is he?
Oh my
Sometimes
God.
you see your moment and
Outfight
you
still.
gotta shoot your shot. Like this kid spotted in the background. He's about to steal this player's thunder, who looks more than a little unimpressed. You only need two things to compete in the Winter Olympic skeleton race: a fast run up and to land straight on your
Oh,
sled. Guess which
shit.
one she forgot.
That looks so. Oh, and it's not even like she could have
There's
stopped.
3 things you need as an ice hockey player: your skates, a helmet, and your stick. It doesn't help when your opposition takes one of them.
Yo, that's so funny.
It's not
Like, why
just
you sitting
athletes
off
that
like
find
that?
themselves falling over during matches. This cameraman should
Oh,
have looked
shit.
where he was going. Instead, we get a nice view of the shoes he's wearing.
Man said, let me backpedal.
Somewhere in between strike and take a walk to first is
Oh,
this softball pitch, which ended up firmly wedged
Bro, are you seeing this? That looks like a fracture. Those the softballs are not soft either. Like, don't let the name fool you. That shit is bigger and heavy.
in this
Holy.
girl's helmet. This innocent back pass is a routine move practiced endlessly at training. And good
Oh, yeah.
news, the goalie is watching and paying attention. Only
Canada
this happens.
against
I wonder who's
Haiti.
getting cut next week.
Yeah, and Haiti needed that much too.
Dunks in
He
basketball
sold that. I think. Reg,
are 99% guaranteed to go
that
in.
boy
The
Russell,
clue
man, I feel so bad for him. He been getting the worst of the media.
is in the name. Despite this, accidents happen, and Russell Westbrook was convinced there was something wrong with the ring when he missed his. This encounter between a live reporter and a man with a suspiciously large inflatable banana is about to escalate out of control. He goes from annoyance to full-on rage mode in under 10 seconds.
Yo,
This winner's speech is about to be video bombed by none other than Jungle Birdman. Apparently, there's a message about conservation in there
Yo.
somewhere, but he's too ridiculous to take seriously.
The way that
Robin
nigga-
isn't
the way
too
that man
happy about
yanked
being
him-
taken off the field. How do you even give someone an aggressive high five? I guess after a timeout, his tantrum will be
those sounds that are just making it way worse, bro. The man slapping everybody's head.
over. When a perfect corner results in one of the easiest shots of the century, Philip
Oh,
Hoffman
no.
somehow missed. I've never seen someone more determined to crawl into the ground and
bounced up
disappear. This reporter says he's excited about the snow season, but how can he tell? Well, for starters, that kid on a sled has him head over heels.
That was a bad idea.
This local match of
Yo,
football
why did he think standing there would have made sense?
is about to get a very unexpected guest drop in. Maybe he just wanted a good view of the game. Either way, I'm sure he didn't buy a ticket. After 4 long years of training,
Don't
it's this
slip.
gymnast's dream to make his country
Oh.
proud. I'm just not sure his landing was part of the plan.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop.
There's
The
a reason some
disappointment in his
people are
face.
players and others spectators. Most of it comes down to talent, skill, and coordination.
Yo, the man got stuck on the fence falling, bro. I've never
None
seen that
of which
before.
this guy has.
Look at this.
When this footballer scored a goal just before full time, the crowd went wild, with one fan throwing a cup of beer at their hero. Not even the movies have endings as great as this.
Oh, he caught it.
This goalkeeper's about to make football's cardinal sin. Take your eyes off the ball. By the time he saw the thrown ball, it was already too late.
It's thrown though.
On
It's thrown.
camera,
He didn't
Trey
touch it.
looks normal sized. That is, until you put him next to the one and only Shaq, who
What the
manhandles
hell
his
is
beard
wrong
like a
with
fluffy
Shaq?
pet. This rookie's about to score his very first goal, and while the crowd goes wild, his teammates choose to celebrate with him in a very different way.
That's so annoying.
Cover an earful of water.
I can't think of a more intense sport than curling. Okay, maybe that's not entirely true. But in this crazy
Yeah,
game,
fucked up his
one
score.
athlete forgets about a previously curled stone and takes a tumble.
Yeah,
Now,
that's a
we
fou-
know
that's a
that
foul.
all injuries in international football are just
the fuck
elaborate
is going on
dives,
here?
but sometimes your medical staff can make a minor injury even worse. With that kind of coordination, maybe
Bro,
the
I'm
medical field isn't for
fighting.
you.
I'm fighting. I'm fighting. I'm sorry.
Bye, have a great time.